y'all, it's Deja aka Sunny D, and in today's video we are making lasagna. We're making lasagna. Yeah, if you want to find out how I made this beautiful, delicious lasagna, go ahead and keep watching. So we're going to start off with a pound of ground turkey, or you can use ground beef, 1 whole sweet onion, a green bell pepper, some black pepper, salt, Badia complete seasoning, and oregano. You're gonna need a can of crushed tomatoes as well as a can of tomato sauce, a pack of lasagna noodles, and a tub of ricotta cheese. Also gonna need your choice of shredded cheese. I chose sharp cheddar and this taco seasoned blend because that's what I had in the fridge. So I'm gonna start by just chopping up the onion. Next, I'm just going ahead and dicing up my bell pepper. I'm going to put some olive oil in a pan on medium high, and I'm going to go ahead and start cooking those vegetables down. I put some salt and pepper over them as well as some complete seasoning and oregano. And I let that cook for probably about 15 to 20-ish minutes. And then I ended up switching it into a deeper pot so that I can put in the ground beef. I put my pound of ground beef in there and I went ahead and cooked that up. And once that was completely cooked, I poured in the entire can of crushed tomatoes and about half the can of the tomato sauce because my pot wasn't big enough. And then I added in the rest of that Italian seasoning. It was about 2 tablespoons. And then I turned that all the way down on low and let that simmer while I was cooking my noodles. I let the sauce cook for about 20 to 25 minutes total. So I have my water boiling on high. I put in some salt to season the noodles and probably about a tablespoon of vegetable oil so they don't stick together. And I just put them in there once the water started to boil, and I'm occasionally stirring that sauce. I cooked the lasagna noodles for about 10 to 12 minutes. And now I'm preparing my ricotta cheese. I am just whisking in about a half cup of water so that it can be a little loose. Normally I'd use an egg, but raw eggs have been making me very nauseous, like the sight of them. So here I am just assembling everything. I'm starting by putting a layer of noodles at the bottom. And then I'm gonna put a layer of sauce over the noodles. And then I'm going to put a layer of ricotta cheese over the sauce and spread that out. And then I'm going to put a layer of my shredded cheese. You can use any shredded cheese that you would like. And then I'll just repeat the process until I run out of everything. And then once that was all spread out, I topped it off with some sharp cheddar cheese and put it in the oven at 350 for 30 to 40 minutes. It looks good, didn't it? Like, did you hear that sizzle and the bubbling from the cheese when I took it out? If you like this recipe and you want to go ahead and try it out, please tag me in it. My socials are in the description box. If you have any ideas of any other dishes you would like to see me make, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. If you like this video, be sure to like this video, and also if you want to see more videos like this or videos about my health journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as hitting that bell notification so you are up to date with every upload that I make. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. You are so cute, Sasuke. This isn't fair.